Video, but this video is different. This is a montage or tutorial video, which I'd like to explain. So you all see YouTubers like Bitzel and iTMG do this. Boom. Block clutching. Exactly. So yeah, that's block clutching, and I'm gonna do it again. So I'm doing this on mobile, but it actually works for Windows 10 and PC too. But here's what you gotta do: you gotta place the block really carefully on the block you wanna place it to, like this. Boom. See, I placed it on the green block. Well, you can do this too, and plus. Jope and Kissel and Shunplaz, if you want to come here, I'm inviting you like 1 million times. But if that's annoying, just tell me on YouTube. And yeah. But anyways, this is a tutorial because I see some of you guys play Hypixel, including T10 Golden Gaming. He's a Hypixel player and he kills pretty good, but he does not block clutch, but I do. And I could teach him that tutorial, but nah, I wouldn't like to show anybody myself. But if you already know how to block clutch, I'm sorry. Anyways, this is my phone call, just not too many information. I'm just showing you how to block clutch on it, because this is the only world I was on. And yeah, basically. So, block clutch, boom. So what happened to my block? I did not place it. That's some errors. Sometimes when you're at the void and you try to block clutch, you might just do this because you're on mobile, and you might do this because you're on PC and you didn't jump the actual long time, and then you might go like that, or you didn't jump in the right spot, and then you might go like that. So yeah, I'm here to do this. I placed it in the wrong spot. That's fine. I'm gonna do the gold block now. It doesn't really work unless I sprint. Okay, at least I placed it in the block I wanted to, but I did not land on it. Bam! Okay, this is becoming a work in progress when I was actually a pro at it. But maybe it works on other games like that. Okay, it did not. Maybe it works on this. Okay, it did not. Maybe it works on that. But it's easy. Oh, okay, there we go. My skills are bad. And you can also do it on blocks like that. Like, there's no saves. Like, you can actually do that. But, yeah, that's what pros do. I'm not trying to brag. If you're like a pro Minecraft tuber or something, but I'm just saying that's what you do. Wait, let me do this. Let me do this. Oh, this is so hard. Boom, there we go. So if you do that, it's pretty cool. I was just thinking of it. Boom. Kapow, okay. China. Okay, back to the montage or tutorial. This might become a montage if I put it on the title. Just saying. So yeah. Okay, this isn't going on well. Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't even place that block there. Wait, I did. Too well. Nobody else is in this world unless if I invite. What in the world? Where's Crystal? Did Crystal go offline? Yes, he did. It's still Jope and Shun though, and Shadow. That's fine though. I can invite them. Boom. And come join in my world in my interior. Nobody wants to join me because they think my world sucks. But I can put you manager or resident if you're like my friend. So yeah. Oh, I have to remove that. So I can do it again. There you go. So the point of clutching is pretty difficult. Like you don't wanna start off in a high pixel match, cause then I think some very good pros like Bitzel and iTMG, I don't know if they're mean or not, but yeah, they might make fun of you if you. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm just saying. And if you guys are watching this right now, I'm sorry if you were offended, but I'm just saying. Boom. Okay. What's under here? What is that? Is that a man block? What? Crystal. That's exactly who I was inviting. But cool. We're all cool. Everybody's cool. And I'm not good at block clutching anymore. I know I am. I am good at block clutching. Look, I can clutch right now. I can clutch right now. What is happening? Okay, there we go. No wrong. Coordination. Yeah, it's also all in coordination like that. Oh, I did not die. Who is Alex? Who is Alex, not X? Oh. I do not know who that is. It's probably a random person. Okay. Boom. Hey, this should probably come and what are you putting in the chat? All I'm doing is block clutching. Please, I'm just block clutching. So, wait, what? Oh, oof. I think she wants to race. And I'm not the fastest. Some should. Oh my god, I was lagging. Wait, what? Which what? What the? Oh my god, she's actually racing. I have to spectate this. Oh, she's so confused. She doesn't know where I am. I think she saw me. She knows that she can jump now. Ah! Run from the human. Oh my god, she's getting closer. You won't want to see me, right?
Maybe that's Amy.
It's not Amy. Block clutch. Ah! She's watching me block clutch. What the? She actually did it.
See, I told you it's Amy.
It's not Amy.
Yes, it is.
There we go. I block clutched. Are you happy? Block clutch.
That's Amy.
Look at that. No skills. Block. Oh, okay. Watch me block clutch.
See? You see
I'm
Amy?
gonna block. Okay. Sorry guys, that's my little brother talking. He's my little brother, sorry. So yeah. Anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe. This was a tutorial, as you can see. This video is gonna end because now my brother is messing with me. Bye! Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.